Now, after learning about this, let us talk about who are the different types of the lymphoid organs in the human body. This I told you, the immune system consists of many cells and organs and tissues. अब इसमें मेन जो organs हैं, these are called as the primary and the secondary lymphoid organs. So lymphoid organs are classified into two types: the primary lymphoid organs and the secondary lymphoid organs. Who are the primary lymphoid organs? These are those organs where the mature lymphocytes are produced and they differentiate into antigen specific lymphocytes. So when I say that these cells differentiate into antigen specific lymphocytes का मतलब क्या होता है कि imagine a young boy or a girl going to a police academy, getting its education over there, and that academy is the primary lymphoid organ, where now a normal boy or girl will differentiate, and now that boy or girl takes a specific course, that I am going to be specialized against digital scams. I am going to be specialized against murderer. Third one is going to be specialized against a specific type of thieves like that. Now from there, these young pass outs will be sent to the police chowkis, जहां पे actual criminal के साथ उनकी मुठभेड़ होगी. And those are the secondary lymphoid organs. So now from the primary lymphoid organs, the mature lymphocytes which are differentiated into antigen specific lymphocytes will go to the secondary lymphoid organs. Here the secondary lymphoid organs, they will come in the secondary lymphoid organs, these lymphocytes will come in contact with the specific antigens. There will be interaction with the antigens. Because of this, these lymphocytes will now proliferate into the effector cells, actual action taking cells in the human body. So once again, these primary lymphoid organs, they are primary mainly the bone marrow and the thymus. We know the location of both the organs. ये दोनों organs एक micro environment देते हैं for the development and the maturation of the B lymphocytes and the T lymphocytes. और यहाँ पे मैंने क्या कहा कि यहाँ पे they differentiate into antigen specific lymphocytes. And in the secondary lymphoid organs, such as spleen, which is small bean-shaped organ near your stomach, then the lymph nodes, the lymphatic tissues, which includes the mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue. ये सब जगहों पे टॉन्सिल्स है, पेयर्स पैचेस है, ये सारी जगहों पे उनका इंटरेक्शन होगा एंटीजन से. So they'll proliferate into the, say for example, many killer T cells which will be released into your body. Many plasma cells which will release millions of antibodies in the blood. Okay. So you have to remember the examples of the secondary and the primary lymphoid organs. The secondary lymphoid organs, which include organs like spleen, lymph node, tonsils, Peyer's patch of small intestine, and the appendix. Okay. And primary, you're supposed to remember the bone marrow and the thymus. Now, ये जो मैंने कहा Peyer's patches या tonsils, ओके, ये सब क्या है? ये वो टिश्यूज हैं जो lymphoid tissues है which belongs to a category called mucosa associated lymphoid tissue, जिसको MALT बोलते हैं. So within your small intestine, you've got different layers of that wall of the small intestine. One of the layers is called mucosa. Small intestine के अलग अलग layers हैं. सेरोसा, मस्कुलरिस, म्यूकोसा, सब म्यूकोसा। तो म्यूकोसा लेयर में आपको ये पेयर्स पैचेस मिलेंगे जो लिम्फ टिश्यू का ये लिम्फॉइड ऑर्गन का, सेकेंडरी लिम्फॉइड ऑर्गन का काम करे, तो उसको कहते हैं म्यूकोसा एसोसिएटेड लिम्फॉइड टिश्यू। ये जो म्यूकोसा एसोसिएटेड लिम्फॉइड टिश्यू है, इट विल बी फाउंड इन बोथ योर digestive as well the respiratory system, and it accounts for say 50% of the lymphoid tissue in the body, this particular mucosa associated lymphoid tissue.